ready for a Manny on Me unboxing. So this theme, this month, I guess it's Halloween, because obviously it's witches. Cast a spell and charmed. Yeah, it's Halloween. Here's the other card they give you. And let's get into this. Ooh, you get a brush. That's nice. You know what? Let's open it up. Come on. Get it in there. So here's the brush. We have here the 106 brush. Super nice. And we have the cap for it, so that's good. This is harder than I thought. So there you go. The next thing we have in the box are these little candies that my daughter got into them. Well, one of them. Which I thought they were gum at first. There you go. And now we're going with the nail polish stamp. The stamping polishes. Here we have, shake, shake, shake. Ooh, nice pink one. This one is Love Potion. It's nice. Love Potion. Super adorable. And the other one we have, ooh, a hollow. This one is in Black Magic. You can see. Super exciting. And now we have the best part, which is the plates. Oh, this is nice. Let's peel. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, I love it. Look at how cute. And here we have the next one. Let's get that out of the way. Oh, that's nice. I love it.